So, what are you back again, people? The guy that's obsessed with the camera. Me, yes. Over by the golf course, and as you know, they are doing a nice, beautiful young lady. And we are going to fast in our business as usual. Take some photos, and I'm taking you guys along. So, of course, she's a part of the Richard Brown Films team. There she is. Shakaberry. Oh, go on.
I'm here.
So, me know the answer to some of them questions I'm going to ask, but I'm going to ask them anyways. So, first question is, where are you from?
Grangel.
You know, I say Grangel, my born, one place named Top Lincoln.
And there's some about
Serious? You don't know a star. I know say Grangel city come from, but I never know say Top Lincoln.
Yes,
Top Lincoln
Top
actually
Lincoln.
come from. So, tell me about life in Top Lincoln.
Well, life in Top Lincoln, it's great, you know, minding your own business because of course I stay in, I don't come out.
Alright, so people have it say Grangel a bad place. You know, like me talk to my young lady out here recently in a video. She come from Clarendon. On the news, you always hear them say, oh, Clarendon a bad place. Grangel too. But what that's about that?
Well, yes, at times it is bad. But for you not do nobody, you just not have to worry. Although sometimes you can be in the wrong place at the wrong time. But it's bad. You have to just protect yourself and work with the curfew. And work with that.
See that? Sorry for taking care for you so quick. You know, see that? You don't notice the difference between the two questions them? Good. So, tell me now about the movie thing. How long have you been doing movies?
Okay, so I would say from about 3 to 4 months now. Yes, it's been great, you know, because I've always wanted to work to showcase my talent and inspire others and motivate others, and I finally get to do it, so it's great.
Alright, good. I run out of question. Alright, so we know about which part she come from, we know how long she had to acting. How you and Richard Brown them get to link up?
Okay, so you know I was on YouTube and I have a couple classmates and schoolmates that's on YouTube. I have them contact, so I was on WhatsApp at night and you know I saw one of my friends posted a girl that was in my class and I was so excited because her name is Ashley. We're born on the same year and day and month. So I'm always excited to see her because she's a friend. Practically she was in the same subject with me, same school. So I've always seen her and I watched Friend in Me. That's the movie that I saw that made me reach here now. And I saw when he said if anybody are interested, they should go on Instagram, and I did, and that's how I get to meet up with the Richard Brown family.
Boom! You know I get a whole lot of information from all the actors them, right? That's so. How long them are do acting, if them passionate about it, all that good stuff right over here. So, Aldo, you not look old enough though. Do you have a boyfriend?
Well, I would say not at this moment.
Blouse and skirt, no sir. That look like somebody a haul them foot, man. But anyhow, now I go down too much into that. So, how has the experience been? Over the couple of months since you've been here, how has the experience been?
Well, the experience have been so great. Meet up with everybody, feel like a family, and practically watching myself be so weird that I always wanted to do.
So you always want to do acting, not true?
Yeah, it's my talent, so I'm so excited with it.
So, the next thing, in relation to experience, same way. So, you're up on the road because we know the movie, Jamaica just as a Richard Brown films right now. When people say on the road, what is it like?
Okay, so when I'm on the streets, people see me and they say, movie star, or you been seeing one movie? I would say, yes. They say, what's it be like? And I tell them, and some of them fast, you get pay how long you do it, and them call you. And if I fit to answer, I answer. But people say me, practically when people saw me, they say, movie star, movie girl. I say, hello.
No. So the acting open up opportunities, feel like people call you, offer you, like say you want to do this, or you know, like offer you things like about that pay. No opportunities open up for you?
Well, yeah, basically, yeah. I've gained a lot since working with the Richard Brown Films. A lot of people have reached out to me and helped me out.
When you see that, so you know say Richard Brown Films is a big movement. And I'm my brethren, you know, my brethren Richard Brown, big star. So, alright, I think we get a whole heap as it relates to movie, your passion and all that where you come from. So, more in depth now. If you were to describe the kind of girl that you are, how would you describe that person?
Well, I would say I'm a very moody person. Like, I would just get up in a bad mood, start to molest everybody without them doing me anything. You know, I'm very intelligent, I have a lot of ambition, I'm determined, and I'm very inspirational.
You know, I said do differently. I saw mistakes sometimes too. But I know I said unfair. Like sometimes
Yeah,
we have
yeah.
bad mood. I'm just not want nobody deal with me.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I want to take out everything like my but I know I said not fair. But I understand, I get it. So, alright, we know the kind of girl that Shakira is. Oh, people, she have one YouTube channel. Come, tell about the YouTube channel
Yeah,
again.
so I've been working on YouTube. I wouldn't say working because I'm like pay as it for 1 year now. I'm almost to 1 year. I'm at 900. And so I would like you guys to go over there and subscribe to my channel, Ashanti James. Just go on YouTube and type in Ashanti James. You can go on TikTok and also type in Ashanti James 20.
So now here, no John just watching up people. There's an amazing young lady there right over here. So and yes, I know I'm more fortunate than Una because I'm right here right now with her, asking her all the questions. But she's amazing and definitely go over there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And she has an Instagram as well. So make sure say wanna go check out the Instagram. Tell her the Instagram.
Okay, so the Instagram is Shakaberry25. SHACKABERRY. Shakaberry25.
Cool. So school. Tell her a little bit about school.
Okay, so you know, school. I'm gonna be honest. To me, like when it's come on to studying, I'll do that, but I don't really like the book thing. But
Me not cut it. Me not like it. Me never used to study. I mean I'm both, but me never fail on an exam, but me never usually study. Like me never study. But anyhow,
well,
nah
I
cut it.
fail exam when I'm careless. Like sometimes, you see, if me not like it, it's subject, I'm just not gonna practically sit down and study for it. That's because now I fail it. So my mind and my brain kind of get donkey to the subject because I don't like it. But once I love that subject, I will pass it. But school is great because I'm gonna leave school in 3 months, 3 to 2 months, and I'm so
Wee.
sad.
You're sad?
Yes, because I'm gonna miss my friends.
No, but
my
you can still link
teachers.
up.
Because at my school, me and every one of the teachers are so close, especially the principal. You know, so it's gonna be
Pick up your principal then.
Yes, Mrs. Maxine Evans. Big up. Oh, and also I would like to big up everyone in Grangeville, Westmoreland.
Big up Grade Jill.
Yes, Jayan, big up yourself. All of the Peggy Barry and Top Link and fans them who know me. I know so glad to see me. Big up on yourself. Big up my father, God James. I know you love me so much. I'm gonna love you.
Oh, them best sound like gunshots, so. I Westmoreland this anyways, guys. So the right answer. It really sound like a gunshot off over there, but over there, so them there. So before I move off of the school thing, what is your favorite subject?
Okay, my favorite subject is English.
And which one you don't like? You hate that one there?
Maths. I'm practically slow in mathematics. Right.
Yo, people never hate maths, do not hate math.
Maths
do
and
not hate
Spanish.
math.
But I practically passed Spanish. I've never passed maths.
Well, I don't know why people don't really like the numbers thing, but anyhow, so might end the video now, or might just stay over here with her until somebody from Richard Brown team call her and say, oh, acting team. Because that me do them, I always just teach them, do one like a short film or get a little in on the personality, and yeah. So, I don't know, probably end the video now, probably not. Have anything you want to say?
Okay, so I think I want to make some little filters, some little, what do you call them, handouts for my channel for people to go and subscribe.
Oh, you mean like some little card thing?
Yeah.
No, but people, differently do. Probably, I'm not saying enough to do it, but probably you can save her the trouble of having to do that by sharing her content. Please, just share it. Share it.
Yes, guys, share it so I can reach the 1K.
So anything I want to say to Richard Brown Films team?
Yes, I would like to say a big thank you. Can't stop saying thank you because you guys have really made me to have this opportunity to see my talent and reach my dreams that I always wanted to do acting. That's it's from a tender age that I always dreamed to be an actor, and people see the acting in me and say it's naturally.
Yeah, you're tough too. You're tough real. Like when me watch a movie them, I say, oh, Jano. Only thing I say I want actress, I swear to you. So Mr. Brown, you see that? Mr. Brown, I watch the videos them. Me need to do an interview with them, Mr. Brown. A long, good interview in depth. Like how I know I really question them if I ask about differently though. You see it? When you see? Mr. Brown, I see opportunities them we create for people. I think we should describe, like in a nutshell, everything is happiness. But make sure you have the final say and then close the channel and tell them to subscribe. Yeah, would you say what you're experiencing right now is happiness or close to it?
Happiness.
Happiness?
Yes.
Jano.
I'm feeling so comfortable to see myself on YouTube. People seeing me and feel so excited in seeing me. And like, girl, I see talent in your body. Me rate it, It's so great.
Alright, so I'm not as fortunate as her. I wouldn't describe my current state of mind as happy, but contented. But patience, one step at a time. I get there. So, thank you for tuning in as usual. Like the videos, please, so we can get full-length movies on here, and so we can continue making these videos because equipment we're down, and we rely on the ad revenues and the views on here. So when you guys click like and when you guys click subscribe, it makes that whole process easier. So definitely like the videos, guys. Definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more content. But Shaka Bear, I think they want to hear from you. Tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, and like, share, and subscribe on the Akeem Lawrence. And go over to Ashanti James and subscribe and share the videos.
Bye bye.